Hey, what's going on, everybody? Made it out for a little bit this morning. The wind was blowing like 12 to 14 miles an hour right off the jump though, so I went to that same small local lake that I've been hitting quite a bit recently. Didn't want to get out on any big water. Didn't really have a lot of time either, so just a couple of hours to get out there and do what I needed to do and get on about my day. Check it out. See you guys back here in a bit. That's a fish. That's a pretty good fish. No, it ain't. It's just a fish. All right. One on the lipless. Come on, bro. Well, you got one out of yourself. Little guy. That was interesting. It just got heavy. That's a fish. That's a better fish. That's a much better fish. Good Lord. Come on, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Go ahead, mommy. Come on. There you go. Good one. Alright, so lipless crankbait bite it is. That didn't take long to figure out. That's a fish. It's a little guy, but it's a fish. All right, now you look like you're gonna try to hook me, and you're brace-faced. Well, not brace-faced, but you got it bad. Little dude. He smashed it like he weighed 12 pounds. That's a good one. Yep, that's a good one. Better one than some of the other ones. He's only got one hook in him. He's not really a good one. He's better than the two super dinks that I caught. Okay, dude. Alright, see, you did it. Now you did it. Now you did it. So up close to the weed line, close to the maiden cane, there is a whole bunch of submerged grass, but it comes up like just under the surface. Can't get my pedal drive through there, and really fishing this lipless through there is not going to work out. So I came out off the edge of it. That's where I just caught that first fish, was right along the edge of where that drops off to just kind of like a clean hard bottom. Just casting up to the edge of that weed line, that submerged grass. That's a fish. That's good. He freed himself. That was a super dink. Whoa, there's some stuff going on up there. Oh, man. That's grass. Come on, get off of there, you fuck. That's a better fish. Oh yeah, that's a better fish. Whoa, that's a much better fish than the last one. Anyway. I also have to remember that I'm throwing this on a medium rod. Get that one out of your gill plate first, bud. There we go. Oh. You got it. You are crazy hooked. Oh, shit. Now I got me involved in it. How in the hell? It's probably about a 2-pounder. Nice little chunky guy. Fat. They're feeding up in here clearly. Fattening up. We're kind of in that pre-spawn period already here in Florida. The temperature hasn't really dropped, but the water temp is 81 today. I think the last time I was here it was 85. There's another one. Okay. Clearly we have a decent little school of fish right out there. Oh crap. You choked it. Whew. Okay, this is going to be interesting. Oh boy. There we go. Nice little fish. Probably 2.5. Get back in the water. He's bleeding a little bit. So pretty good day overall. Caught on that lipless crankbait bite. It just made sense. I told myself I was not going to go down there and just throw swim bait today, and when I got there and I saw the conditions, the water was really murked up. It had been pretty windy all morning already, like I said, so that lipless was just the right bait for the job today. I don't really throw lipless a lot, so I decided to just put that thing in my hand and throw it and see what happened, and it ended up being the right call. I was throwing it on a 6'9" medium fast, so that fast tip and that medium action really let those trebles load up when I went to set the hook. I pinned every fish that I swung on pretty well, so that ended up working out. I was throwing that on a 20-pound braid with just like a little, like 2 foot, I think, maybe 1.5 to 2 foot fluorocarbon leader, 15-pound fluoro. So yeah, that call worked out pretty well, and I really wanted to get back and see if that bite was still on. I just have way too much stuff to do today, plus I wanted to get this editing done and everything while I had the opportunity. So, that being said, thank you guys for sticking with me. Appreciate you watching. Like, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and I will catch up with you later. Peace.
Easily unsettling, constantly meddling, breaking the bank of knowledge, incessantly betting on a horse with no name.